Welcome to my channel Suryadeep Kids Edutech. Wild animals, जंगली प्राणी. Tiger, TIGER, tiger means वाघ. Lion, LION, lion means सिंह. Cheetah, CHEETAH, cheetah means cheetah. Monkey, MONKEY, monkey means माकड. Bear, BEAR, bear means अस्वल. Wolf, WOLF, wolf means लांडगा. Kangaroo, KANGAROO, kangaroo means kangaroo. Giraffe, GIRAFFE, giraffe means giraffe. Mongoose, MANGOOSE, mongoose means mongoose. Fox, FOX, fox means koala. Zebra, ZEBRA, zebra means zebra. Elephant, ELEPHANT, elephant means हत्ती. Yak, YAK, yak means one guy. Deer, DEER, deer means हरिण. Panda, PANDA, panda means panda. Rhinoceros, RHINOCEROS, rhinoceros means गेंडा. Boar, BOAR, boar means रानडुक्कर. Snake, SNAKE, snake means साप. Squirrel, SQUIRREL, squirrel means खार. Bison, BISON, bison means रानरेडा. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.